Hi, I'm Susan, and this is what I'm making today. I have another delicious dessert for Crocktober. This is peanut butter and hot fudge pudding cake. And I'm taking a half a cup of all-purpose flour, a fourth a cup of sugar, 3/4 a teaspoon of baking powder, and I'm mixing that in really well. Then I'm adding a third a cup of milk, a tablespoon of oil, and a half a teaspoon of vanilla. And I just want to stir that until it's smooth. Now I want to stir in a fourth a cup of peanut butter and mix that in until it's smooth. I'm using smooth peanut butter, but you can use what you like. Now I just want to pour this into my slow cooker and spread it out. I've already sprayed the inside liner. Now I want to mix together 1/2 cup of sugar and 3 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder. And I want to gradually stir in 1 cup of boiling water. Now I just want to pour this mixture over the peanut butter batter. Now cover and cook on high for 2 to 3 hours or until the toothpick inserted comes out clean. It really smells so good. Now you want to dip it, serve it warm, and add you some ice cream, and it is delicious. The hot fudge in this dessert isn't as saucy as it was in my chocolate one, but it is still very, very good. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. And until next time, bye y'all.